students. Hope you all are fit and fine. So I am Bharti. I will be teaching you social studies. Today is your first lecture and we are starting with geography. Chapter 1. The title is India size and location. From this title only you will get that we are going to discuss about the size and location of India on world map. Students, no worries if you are not having any books, as all the NCERT books are available on net. I will share with you the link from where you can study. So let's start the chapter. Please note down all the important things which we will discuss. There are 4 topics in this chapter, that is location, size, India and the world, and India's neighbor. But before starting the explanation of this chapter, we will discuss the important terminology of this chapter, right? Which will help you to understand the whole concept very easily. So I want you all to make fair notebook and note down all the terminology. Now, important terms are given here under this. First one is longitude. As you all are familiar with the longitude and latitudes, already you discussed in your previous classes. But then also so many students are confused in these two terms. So now today I am going to clear you that what is longitude and what is latitude. So first, that is longitude. Now along with my explanation, I hope you all are that copying down this all terms. Copying down these all terms, right? So this longitude now first, it describes the location of a place on earth east or west of a north-south line called prime meridian. That is 0 degree to 180 degree east and 0 degree to 180 degree west. You just see this on the 0 degree prime meridian is there, right? What we are calling this prime meridian. This divide the whole earth in two equal halves. That is the east part and the west part. Eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Right? So this 0 degree to 180 degree east side and 0 degree to 180 degree west side. So through this spelling longitude, long means long lines, vertical lines are there which we are calling this longitude. International Meridian Conference adopted the Greenwich Meridian as the universal prime meridian or 0 point of longitude, right? So this is a prime meridian here. Now next term is latitude. Through this spelling only you will get this latitude. In Hindi what we are calling this leta hua, latitude. So now it is very easy for you to remember this term, no need to confuse in this latitude. Now you will get the horizontal line is the latitude and the vertical line is longitude. So it gives the location of the place on the earth north or south of the equator. So here you just see this dot line is given here from the 0 degree. So this is from the 0 degree, this is equator. What we are calling this? Equator. This equator divides the earth in two equal halves. Divides the earth in two equal halves, that is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Right? So it gives the location of the place on the earth north or south of the equator. 0 degree to 90 degree towards the north pole and 0 degree to 90 degree towards the south pole. So means what? All together how many that latitudes are there? 180, right? And if we will count this equator also latitude. So all together all the latitudes are 181. There are 4 main latitudes are there. That is the already it is marked over there on this diagram. Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. So now I hope that now you will not confuse in these two longitude and latitude, right? So longitude is the vertical line, long lines, that is longitude, and the latitude means what? Leta hua, latitude. Through this spelling only means the horizontal line. And the equator is also called a latitude. Got this? Now see next. Next here, hemisphere. Now, this is world map is given here. What is this hemisphere? Just see. India lies in northern hemisphere. All of you know that each map is having 4 direction. North, south, towards your right east, and towards your left that is west. Now 4 direction are there, and here also this dot 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 line is there. This line is the equator which divide the whole earth in 2 equal halves. That is the northern hemisphere, and the southern hemisphere, right? Northern hemisphere is the uppermost part and the southern hemisphere is the second part, right? So our Asia is located here in the northern hemisphere, in that yellow one, that our India is located here, right? Now you just see the extent, latitude extent and the longitude extent. Now see what is written here. India lies in northern hemisphere, already we have seen this, and latitude extent between 8 degree 4 minutes north in the south part of the India, bottom side here, south part, 8 degree 4 minutes north it extend, and upper side, this is the north part here, that 37 degree 6 minutes north it extend. So this is the what? To India that located in between these 2 latitudes. These 2 latitudes, that India is extending in between these 2 latitudes, that is the 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. So why we are writing here that south part is there, but why we are writing here and north? Because India is located in the northern hemisphere, right? Now latitude, longitude extent. Longitude, so longitude extent is here. You just see this. This is longitude extent, this is latitude extent, right? So likewise India is covering between this longitude and latitude. Now longitude extent between 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. So why we are writing here east? Because you just see here also prime meridian is there from the 0 degree, dot dot line is here. This prime meridian divide this earth in 2 equal halves, that is the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere, right? So our India is located in the eastern hemisphere. That's why we are writing here 68 degree 7 minute east and the 97 degree 25 minutes east. So I hope you all are clear that hemisphere and the latitudinal extent and the longitudinal extent, right? Now next is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of an imaginary line. This is the imaginary line parallel to latitude and is drawn parallel to equator. So this Tropic of Cancer is passes in from between the country, right? It divides the country in 2 equal halves. That is the north side and the south part. North part and the south part. So and 20 degree 30 minutes north. It divides the country into almost 2 equal parts. I will explain this in next slide on map. Now next, island group. Island group, you know that 2 island groups are there. Our India is covered with water from 3 sides. So one island group is in the Bay of Bengal and second is in the Arabian Sea. Now see southeast. In the southeast part, Andaman and Nicobar island group is there, which is situated in Bay of Bengal, right? Covered with the water of the Bay of Bengal. Now, in the southwest direction, Lakshadweep island is situated and it is covered with the Arabian Sea. Now, next, Indira Point. The southmost point of the Indian Union, which was submerged in the ocean in 2004 in tsunami. Southmost part of the Indian Union. Before explaining this Indira Point, I will clear you the difference between the union and the mainland. Now students, you just see this mainland. What is the meaning of the mainland? That mainland, it is a continuous stretch of landmass. This is a stretch of landmass, right? From Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. This is the complete landmass. What we are calling this mainland. And when we add this water body along with the mainland, what we are calling this Indian Union. So now I think here you will clear that union and the difference between the union and the mainland. Now you just see this. Again I am repeating it. The Indira Point is what? The southernmost point of the Indian Union, which was submerged in the ocean in 2004 in tsunami. So you just see the students, Indira Point is the southernmost point of Indian Union, and you know this got submerged in 2004 due to tsunami. Now before explaining the another one terms, you just see here India's map. In this Tropic of Cancer, you just see this dot line here. Tropic of Cancer is there. This Tropic of Cancer is divided our country in two parts. That is the north part and the south part. Got it? Now see, this Tropic of Cancer is passes from the states. Which states are here? See this Gujarat. It touches the Rajasthan border also. Then Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. All together 8 states are there, and this Tropic of Cancer passes from these all 8 states, right? And it divides our country in two equal halves. Now you see this southeast part, this whole southeast part, and this is the southwest part, right? So here Andaman and Nicobar Island is located, and here Lakshadweep Island is located, and this water body, this from this all three sides, our country is covered with the water body in this triangular shape, right? So you just see this and try to understand Tropic of Cancer. Now next. So now Indian mainland. Already we discussed this mainland and difference between the mainland and the union. So here Indian mainland, it is continuous stretch of landmass from Jammu and Kashmir, means from north to south, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, that is west to east. Now next term is peninsula. Already I told you our country is surrounded by from three sides, full water bodies are there. That is the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. The triangular landmass surrounded by water on three sides of our country. That what we are calling this peninsula. Now the last term is, that is the standard time. It is the local time of 82 degree 30 minute east, taken as the standard time for the whole country. Now what is the reason behind this? As you know that from one longitude to another longitude, there will be a difference of 4 minutes. Already you discussed this in your previous classes, you learned this. So you know that from one longitude to another longitude, that is the time is, it takes time of 4 minutes. So in the same manner, the sun takes 4 minutes in order to pass from one longitude to another longitude, right? So how much time sun take? 4 minutes in order to pass from one longitude to another longitude. And because of that, there are 30 different local time fall in India, and this created lots of confusion, because in different that longitude, different time zone is there. So this creates so many confusion. So to form uniformity in time, we have selected standard meridian which passes from Mirzapur, UP, right? So already this map is given in your book on page number 3. The standard meridian page is there. So it is located standard meridian over there. Now that I hope all the terminology are clear. If not, you ask me any doubt related to this topic on campus care. I am giving you few practice questions related to these topics. So complete this, all the questions in your copy. I will check when school will reopen. Thank you. Bye.